Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix your account has been temporarily locked on Instagram. First of all, I will tell you what are the reasons behind that error. The first reason is as that you have used a third-party application to increase your followers on Instagram, or you have logged into an unknown website your Instagram account, or the third one is you have violated Instagram community guidelines. So without wasting any time, let's move to the solution. To solve this error, what you have to do is you have to click on help with logging. This kind of option available when you log out your Instagram account. You have to click on that. After that, you have to put your username here, but you can remember your password. Then you have to click on can't reset your password. After that, you will find try another way. You have to click on that. After much loading, you will find a way to change your email address. Find that kind of information. Here you will find all kind of information related to how you change your email address which you have forgot. Then you can change your email address by clicking on that, and you can log in your account by changing that email address. Hope you have liked the information. Kindly like this video and subscribe our channel.